Hey, what's happening? I saw a show the other day where Chef Gordon Ramsay was at home whipping up some of his childhood favorites with his family. One of those dishes was fish fingers. Of course, in the US, we call them fish sticks, but call them whatever you want. They're delicious. You're going to want to use a white, flaky fish for this. Chef Ramsay was using pollock. I'm starting with some beautiful Alaskan cod fillets. Cut them into about 1-inch thick pieces. And then I'm gonna dry brine these with some of my meat mode seafood seasoning. Let them chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes, which is gonna allow them to firm up a little bit. Then I'll take about 2 cups of finely ground pork rinds and add about a tablespoon of dried dill to that. Since this is carnivore version of fish sticks, there's no breadcrumbs, zero carbs, just crispy golden goodness. Now that the fish is out of the fridge, we'll set up a dredging station with our cod, a couple of tablespoons of melted grass-fed butter, and our pork rinds that have been enhanced with our dill. So we'll just give everything a nice coating in the butter first, and then coat with our pork rinds, set them aside, and continue the process. I'm going to shallow fry these in a cast iron skillet with a little bit of beef tallow. Cook them for about 3 minutes on each side. All right, let's give them a taste. Well, I gotta say, this was honestly so good, y'all. You have the tender, flaky cod, dry brined in my meat mode seafood seasoning, and the aromatic dill in there. Just sets it off. So I hope you'll try it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the community. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your ideas.